Mohammad Satak Engineering College, 1483 happy students, 175 achievements, 205 team staffs, and 54 awards won. Vision of the college is to be an institution of repute and rare creativity in providing quality education with technical endeavor and research opportunities of very high standards to the students, who in turn shall contribute to the advancement of the society and humankind. And the mission of the college is to provide quality education to the students across the country, to motivate them to acquire skills and disseminate the knowledge, to achieve academic and professional excellence, to offer the frontline facilities and sophisticated environment, to endow with expertise faculty by providing opportunity to promote students' skills and knowledge. Disclaimer: this information is collected from various sources in the internet only for the information purpose. The user is advised to confirm the accuracy of this data. The courses offered are Computer Science and Engineering, Electrical and Electronics Engineering, Electronics and Communication Engineering, Aeronautical Engineering, Mechanical Engineering, Civil Engineering, Information Technology, Architecture, Chemical Engineering, and Marine Engineering. The cutoff marks for various castes and various departments. For OC it is 99 to 188, for BCM it is 91 to 167, for BC 89 to 160, for MBC 82 to 185, for SC it is 84 to 161. The facilities at Mohammad Satak Engineering College. MSEC Central Library provides unique ambience for the students to study. It is having an integrated approach to both the engineering and management program. It collectively supports the teaching research of the institute through its various library services which have been introduced, such as literature search, interlibrary loan, reference service, content digitization, news clipping service, current awareness service, user orientation, etc. The transport. The college has a fleet of 30 buses to transport to and from various parts of the city and neighborhood areas. Every student is expected to avail transport facility to enable him or her to be punctual to the college. Sports. Besides the academic activities, students would like to gather attention relieved and focused on fun and physique. Sports activities help students to keep them fit both physically and mentally. The institution provides abundant facilities for the student to get accustomed with varied sports activities like basketball, football, hockey, cricket, throwball, ball badminton, kabaddi, aesthetics, kho volleyball, and indoor games like badminton, chess, carom, table tennis, and weightlifting. The students know all the angles to bring laurels to college and themselves. Hostel. Full-fledged hostel facility for boys and girls students have been established inside the campus. It also provides good and safe facilities of lodging and boarding to cater to the needs of the outstation students. It has full-fledged facilities with STD, ISD, gymnasium, a reading room, and a computer room. Students are monitored with their well-being by an efficient and qualified custodian. The major recruiters are SPIC, DEC, Excellencia Consulting, Next, Scientific Publishing Services, eCare India, HFCL Group, Accent Circuits, GE Stamp, HNG, LAPIZ Digital Services, Kiran Global, Alchemica, Building Chemicals, Hensel, WEG, OpenWave, Anand Electronics and Industries Limited, Huashin, GGVS, Thirdware, MPS, Sanmar, and many more. The results from 2013 to 2018 for Mohammad Sadak Engineering College. In 2013, 62%, 2014, 73%, 2015, 73, 2016, 74, 2017, 55, and 2018, 48%. The college counseling code is 5907. Contact college at 914567 245343 or 9940004506. Website is www.msec.org.in. College is located at Satak Nagar, East Coast Road, Kirakarai, Ramanathapuram District, Tamil Nadu 623806. And the mail ID is principal@msec.org.in.